Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. So today we're going to go in with the Magic Palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going to use this shade called Nana. And we're going to use that shade for our transition shade, and we're just going to blend that all together. Then we're going to go right back in that palette and we're going to use the shade called Zakaya. And we're going to put that on top of Nana and we're going to blend that together. Then we're going to go right back into that palette using the shade called Koji. We're going to put that on top of Zakaya, and we're just going to blend all three of those shades together. And now we're going to go in with our NARS concealer, and you already know what time it is. When that concealer come out, you already know what time it is. We about to cut that crease. And now we're just going to go in with our setting powder and we're just going to set that concealer. You guys, I was feeling myself with this cut crease. I was like, yes, you did that. But now we're going to go into the shade called Buzo and we're just going to pop that into our lid. And I'm just going to go in now with some eyeliner. And you guys, I did apply my lashes off camera, but I'm just going to go ahead in with my blush and I'm just going to apply the blush all over the cheeks. Now I'm just going to go in with some highlight from Anastasia Beverly Hills and I'm just going to pop that right on top of my cheeks. So now we're just going to go in with a lip pencil from MAC in the shade Chestnut and we're just going to line up our lips. Yeah, ahora we're just going to go in with some lip gloss, and that concludes the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, do not forget to smash that subscribe button on your way out. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys once again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.